This is a very rare Ayurvedic herb called Jivaka. Now, this Jivaka belongs to that family of ground orchids called Malaxis. And some hundreds of varieties of Malaxis are there in the tropics. India also has a few. And among them, this is a very important herb. And it's a ground orchid, and it is found in thick with good canopied forest, dark forest, undisturbed forest, and it's a very important herb of Ayurveda. And its properties are it is a sweet, refrigerant, aphrodisiac, and tonic. Then it is used for this high pitta, blood vomiting, then high pitta vata, fever, seminal weakness, that is if the reproductive this thing and all is not in functioning properly, seminal weakness, sperm count and all. Then burning, thirst, weakness, and TB. So it's an important tonic herb, Rasayana herb. And it has become so rare that now it is impossible to use. So usually they market some substitute is comes in. Government of India also has recognized that it's become rare, and they have suggested to use Shatavari instead of this Jivaka. Now this Jivaka, the new plant emerges from the last year's dead and decaying plants remnants. That's one way to identify it. You can see this is last year's growth, and from that the new growth has come. And the medicinal part is this part, this lower brown part, and that juicy stem is the medicinal part. Then apart from that, in Kannada it's called Jivaka, Samskrita it's called Jivaka, and Hindi also it's called Jivak. And the one of the specialities, it has this pale yellow green flowers, yellow green with little purple and touch of see, the yellow is prominent, you can see in this yellow green, and then some reddish color is there. And the height is about 30 centimeters, not more than that. So that is Jivaka, and it's a rare plant. I don't think you will find it on YouTube, many videos on this. And extremely beautiful. Anyone gets to see this, they can consider themselves very fortunate indeed. Now I'll show a little bit of the forest. There is a lot of, it's a canopied forest. Then there's a lot of undergrowth and no thorny growths, because this is in the high shade, the thorns don't come. So in these kind of places, undisturbed and all, if you're lucky, you can bump into that Jivaka.